Hello, hello. Welcome to your self-massage practice. I'm Ariel Kiley, and the topic of our practice today is foot circulation. We are going to be massaging our feet, especially with a mind to creating more circulation in the feet and ankles and lower legs. So you need a pair of small therapy balls and if possible, do have a couple of blocks nearby because I'm hoping to get into the calves a bit too. And take the therapy balls out and just set them to the side. Then position yourself in such a way where you can pick up one foot. So I've just got like one leg folded in, the other leg picked up, and see if you can. I got a little schmutz on my toe. See if you can interlace as many fingers as you can between your toes. So try to create this little toe spacer with your own fingers. You might not be able to get all of them. And then attempt to circle your ankle. So just like this, creating a little movement in the ankle while spreading your metatarsals and tarsals. And then circle in the other direction. And now set this foot down. It's normal if you don't have a lot of spread available in your toes for them to feel a little crampy. Hopefully that'll keep getting better with time. Interlace your fingers, your opposite fingers between these toes. If possible, getting all of them, it might not be possible. And slowly circle. I was at Bed Bath & Beyond yesterday getting some supplies for the new home here with Matt. And I was helping a lady push her cart circle the other way back into, the cart corral, an older lady. And I looked down and I noticed she was wearing sandals. Her pinky toe was completely folded over her second toe, likely from a lifetime of wearing foot pinching high heels. I was like, ooh, so this class is for her, even though she may never do it. This is for her, lady in the Bed Bath & Beyond parking lot. Now take your hand out and put your therapy balls right on your mat and place the therapy ball right under the bosom of your right foot. Yes, your foot has a bosom, it's right here. Put it right in the arch under that bosom of the foot. Bend your knees a bit and first just push on the gas. So repeatedly push down into that therapy ball. Then stabilize your other foot beside you and lift your heel up and circle around. So make a little circling motion, getting the therapy ball to kind of roll and dig into the sole of your foot. It might be a little imbalanced. You could put your hand on the wall or a chair. Now bring it to the heel. Bring the therapy ball to the heel. Push your heel into it, bend your knees, and do the twist here. Twist your legs side to side, whirling the skin and fascia on the sole of the foot back and forth. Now, can you have that therapy ball under your foot and just go for a little walk in a circle here? Circle around in one direction, then throw it in reverse, go the other way, circle around the other direction. Now bring the therapy ball right back onto the bosom of the foot, right onto the ball of the foot there, and do a full roll right and left. Come to stillness and lift and spread your toes out so they just go bow. Notice if your fingers want to do it too. Then step off the therapy ball and close your eyes and sense the difference in sensation between the two sides. So you might feel more circulation, more warmth on the side you massaged. Then let's go over to the other side. So use the other therapy ball because the footwork really breaks them in. So we want to do it evenly. And start by tucking the therapy ball right before the ball of your left foot. I just feel like it feels more like a bosom, which is why I'm calling it that. And then push on repeat. So kind of like you're pushing on the gas on a car. Smush and smush. Smush and push. Really try and squish that therapy ball. Now, roll it around. So it might be a little awkward, but try and roll your ankle around in circles, rolling the therapy ball in a circle around your arch. And then roll the other way. And now put your weight into the heel. So bring this therapy ball back into the heel, bend your knees, lift your toes, and do the twist here. You can get low and you can get high. And then come back toward stillness. Roll up and down the front to the back. Then bring the therapy ball right onto that nice pad, the ball of the foot, just at the base of the toes. And go right and left here. Invert and evert your ankle. And then try and just lift and spread your toes out. So spray them apart. And now step off and feel if this foot has caught up with the other foot in terms of feeling more warm, maybe sensing more circulation there. Then come on down to sit with me. Take the two therapy balls, put them back in their tote, and we'll finish off with a little calf work. So first, just set this aside, fold one leg in and squeeze and knead into your own calf. So just working your thumbs up, working right into the gastrocnemius, the soleus, right in the lower leg there. Then try the other side, working right up the back of the leg. And now put your two blocks out in front of you. Place the therapy balls sideways on them in their little tote and plop one of your calves right on top. Place your hands on the floor behind you and just rock your leg forward and back here. So flinging your foot, really just keeping it as simple as possible. You can turn your toes open to the side and you'll get some of the lateral leg. Oof, something sticky's in there for me. And then turn your foot in and do a little rock forward and back. And try the other side. Rocking forward and back. And then foot open, do a little rock in that way. And turn the foot in and do a little rock that way. And now come off and finally just recheck that little toe spreader. So lift up one foot and thread your opposite fingers between the toes. Do a little circling of the foot in one direction. See if it's a little bit easier. And then circle in the other direction. And check out the other side. Lift the other one up. Try and interdigitate fingers and toes. And circle and circle. And then just come to sit and sit tall, take a couple breaths, and really just feel the global effects of your foot massage. Thank you so much for joining. I can't wait to roll with you again soon. Great job. Now it's time to seal in your self massage practice with my all in 20 full body awakening. In just 20 minutes, you'll activate every major muscle group, you'll mobilize all the major joints in your body, and it's going to leave you feeling energized and centered. Get it totally free at fitbodlife.com.